morning and welcome Siddharth for this YouTube channel of Retail Jeweler, and we are talking to you on IIJS Virtual, which is starting tomorrow. What is your opinion about IIJS Virtual?
See, what I feel is it has become a necessity to go virtual right now. Looking at the past 6 months, we've always been thinking कि भाई jewelry को online बेचना possible होगा नहीं होगा. But what I feel is going online was the only way out, and it is commendable that GJPC has come up with such a brilliant platform. So virtual, what I feel, Samit, right now it is a bare necessity. Each and every field, not only the jewelry industry, but across industries, it has become a necessity to go virtual right now. There was a couple of years back we used to wonder, कि भाई jewelry online कैसे बिकेगा, and here we are sitting in 2020, wherein I think 70 to 80% B2B business, I would like to mention, B2B business is going online. Congratulations, and GJPC has done a commendable job in organizing a show like this, and I think it's going to be beneficial for all the retailers, especially the manufacturers, who will be able to tap even retailers from 2 and 3 tier cities like us, and also for small town retailers. For example, if I talk about myself, होता क्या है कि हम लोग जब भी IIJS आते हैं तो we are always busy with जिनको जानते हैं उनके पास पहले चले आते हैं. A lot of my time goes finding and finalizing stock over there. But over here, what will happen is I am also registered. I have also my sales managers registered. A lot of my department heads are registered. So all of us will be able to search through and screen through more manufacturers, which will give us an edge definitely. So I think virtual it's a blessing for us. It is a necessity right now.
So nice to hear, and all of your team members and yourself are already registered, and you must have seen how easy it is to access this entire platform and go through all the catalogs, the booths, and check out their profiles. And I'm sure you will meet many more new people this time, because you'll have that efficiency of time at your end, so that
this is what we're looking at. What happens is during IIJS, sometimes we are a little hesitant in going to a new manufacturer, or even when we want to go there, because they are tied up. So I don't think so that should be a problem right now.
Now, based on your experience of the last 6-8 months of sales and the kind of products which are moving, and now for the next 6 months, from October 18th to March, the financial year, what do you feel will be the business like, and what kind of products will you look at IIJS Virtual?
Samit, seeing the coming 6 months, what I feel is, mid-September onwards, we've definitely seen more footfalls. पहले कैसा था कि once we started, Jamshedpur opened up a little late. So we opened up somewhere in the second week of June. And at that point of time, I think May, June में जिनकी शादियां थी, जो postpone हो चुकी थी. So we saw a lot of footfalls in the initial 20 days, wherein people who had postponed their weddings or other engagements and all that, जिनको खरीदना ही था वो आए थे. And then suddenly we saw a dip. But mid-September onwards, we've seen people going for heavy purchases because there are a lot of weddings in November and December. Another plus point for us, what I would say is Durga Puja. I'm sure even you are aware of it. Durga Puja is huge in this part of the country. And Jamshedpur being a Tata town, the bonus that Tata Steel gives out, that comes out during Dussehra. So even though with a very bad last quarter and the first quarter, Tata Steel is still coming up with the bonus as it used to give in previous years. So there'll be a lot of money flow in the market, especially for Jamshedpur. And what happens is the money that is given to the employees in Jamshedpur, a lot of it goes towards jewelry. So I see this as a big plus point. And plus what happens is travel is not restricted right now. Puja jaise sab jagah lagte the, aise people will not be spending much on their travel, their ghumna and all that. So I believe there should be a lot of spend on jewelry. So that is a big plus point. And similar goes to all the towns.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है ये सुन के कि this Jamshedpur is at the right spot, and with the Tata Steel giving this bonus and a lot of money in the hands of people. बहुत pent up demand भी है. तो जैसे रक्षाबंधन गया उस टाइम एक भाई अपने बहन को शायद गिफ्ट नहीं कर पाया था. That also will happen now. दुर्गा पूजा बहुत बड़ा है आपके लिए. मैं खुद I know I'm a Bengali, so I know how big it is in terms of the gifting and everything. So, आपको जो ज्वेलरी जो है जमशेदपुर में, आप बहुत अच्छे डायमंड ज्वेलरी बेचते हैं, बहुत अच्छा स्टॉक रखते हैं डायमंड ज्वेलरी का, काफी मॉडर्न पीसेस भी रखते हैं, कुंदन जड़ाव भी रखते हैं. So you are one of the more, a fast mover, fashionable, progressive like a jeweler. What are the categories of jewelry? आपको क्या लगता है कि किस तरह की ज्वेलरी इस साल आप देखेंगे आज जमशेदपुर में, और जो आगे चल के जमशेदपुर में स्टॉक भी करेंगे?
तो स्टॉकिंग का ऐसा है ना कि लॉकडाउन से March end onwards, we've been hungry for stock. Even when things opened up, we were a little hesitant and a little choosy in terms of जो बहुत ज़्यादा रिस्क नहीं ले रहे थे स्टॉक को लेके, जो ज़रूरत है वही ले रहे थे. But right now, as we've seen the footfalls increase, the sales increase. So I think stock to through the spectrum ज़रूरत है, whether it being lightweight. We've also started since the past year and a half, 2 years. We've also started with Polki jewelry. So Polki is doing good for us right now. So basically क्या होता है ना, जैसे हमारे जमशेदपुर में बाकी सब जैसे महाराष्ट्र हुआ, गुजरात हुआ, वहाँ पर पोल्की and all that is old, सालों से चलते आ रहे हैं. For here, we need to educate people about what polki jewelry is, what kundan is. यहाँ पर mainly जो yellow gold जो चलता है हमारे कलकत्ता का, मुंबई का, वो सब ज़्यादा चलता है. So, but what we've seen over the years is polki jewelry is also gained momentum. भले lightweight हो, 1.5-2 लाख के आसपास ज़्यादा movement है. So definitely for this, for the IJS, polki jewelry will be हम लोग उसमें ज़्यादा थोड़ा फोकस करेंगे. And overall also lightweight jewelry जो हमेशा जो चलती आ रही है weddings में जो लगती है. तो बेसिकली आई थिंक थ्रू आउट द स्पेक्ट्रम खरीदारी तो होगी सब में.
एक फाइनल क्वेश्चन, बिकॉज हमारे जो व्यूअर्स हैं उनको एक अच्छा इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलेगा कि जमशेदपुर जैसे शहर और भी आसपास के इतने शहर है, इसमें अगर कोई रिटेल में एक ब्रेकअप दिया जाए तो क्या आप कहेंगे 70% गोल्ड है, 10% डायमंड है और बाकी सारा चीज 20% है?
डायमंड का हमारा रेशियो लगभग 10 से 12% का होता है. एंड जो ट्रेडिशनल येलो गोल्ड जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं, that will be somewhere around 70% also. और बाकी आप एंटीक ले लो, पोल्की ले लो, वो सब रहता है. Majority is yellow.
Thank you very much for your time, सिद्धार्थ. बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे बात करके.
Thank you, Samir.
On a Sunday morning.
It's a pleasure talking to you.